Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Regions credit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Regions credit card out of the envelope and keep it in front of you. Check the front of the card to confirm your name is spelled correctly. Turn the card over and locate the customer service phone number and any activation instructions. Find your mobile phone and make sure you have a stable signal or Wi-Fi if you plan to use the app. Have your social security number and date of birth ready, because you may be asked to verify your identity. Make sure you are in a private place so no one can hear your personal information. If you want to activate by phone, call the activation or customer service number on the sticker or back of the card. Listen carefully to the automated menu and choose the option for card activation. Enter the full card number using your keypad when the system asks for it. Provide the expiration date and the security code if the system requests them. Verify your identity by entering the last 4 digits of your SSN or your zip code when prompted. Create or confirm your PIN if the system offers that option, and write it down in a secure place. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is activated successfully. If you prefer the mobile app, download the Regions mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Sign In if you already have online banking, or tap Enroll to create an account. Complete the enrollment with your personal information and set a strong password. Sign into the app and go to the Cards or Card Services section. Select your Regions credit card from the list if you have multiple accounts. Tap Activate Card and follow the on-screen prompts exactly. Confirm the requested details, such as card number, CVV, zip code, or verification code. Approve any security check, like a one-time passcode sent by text or email. Wait until you see the activation confirmation screen in the app. After activation, remove any temporary sticker from the card if one is attached. Sign the signature panel on the back of the card using a pen. Make a small test purchase or check your card status in the app to confirm it works. If the card does not activate, call Regions customer service and ask for help with activation. Set up alerts in the app so you get notifications for purchases and payments. Store your card safely and never share your card number, PIN, or security code with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.